What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tencent holdings with the ticker symbol TCEHY. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I'm back from my trip, so now I'm ready to be putting out these great YouTube videos for you guys. So let's take a look at Tencent first on the daily. You clearly see there was this previous large impulse higher. This channel represents that impulse. Obviously there's only two touches on the bottom side, but you can clearly see there was a strong move up. And then after the strong move up, there was a break of the channel and two legs down. So there was one leg down here. Prices made a correction. It made a second leg down because market moves in twos. After the second leg was met, you clearly see that prices found a bottom, and then we started retracing or reversing actually higher. So this looks pretty good. Now we could probably go back up to these prior highs right over here because this is the first break of the channel. Normally you'll see the bulls attempt 2 times to retest these prior highs. So this was the first attempt, and right now we are seeing the second attempt from the bulls to retest these highs. So will this downtrend channel come into play right over here? So if I connect the swings, will this one come into play? And are we going to find resistance near it? I don't think so. I mean, we could find resistance fairly shortly, but I doubt it. I think this is going to just be a bear trap. I think, you know, traders, some shorts might enter right here, but if you look at the entire structure, I don't think, you know, the price wants to trickle down in this channel. It could, but I don't think that that's what's happening on the chart. I think we had a huge impulse up, a two-legged correction, and we can make another impulse higher. And also this $50 level right here, or this this $51 level, 51.52 was a strong resistance in the past. So it's acting as a magnet because we have numerous touches of it. So it looks like it's acting as a magnet, and that's why prices could continue to push up higher, just based on that. So it's looking pretty good for Tencent on the daily chart. I'll be looking for higher price targets. We could find rejection from that channel, potential channel, and see lower prices. But I think, you know, after these two legs down and a huge impulse up, this looks to be the start of another large impulse up. So that's everything I see on the daily. Here is the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart, and there was this prior downtrend in play. So we can go and connect the swings. There was this prior downtrend in play, and then after the channel break, there was an uptrend in play. So there's a huge impulse up. So there's two patterns in play, and the market moves in twos. So we saw two attempts from the sellers to retest this prior low right over here. So this prior low wants to be retested from the sellers, and this prior high wants to be retested from the bulls. So the sellers tried once to retest those prior low, failed. They tried a second time to retest the prior low, and they failed. And now we're seeing the bulls, the momentum shift for the bulls because price is going back above the EMA. And, you know, we're seeing a shift in momentum. So this looks pretty good. It looks like the bears could be trapped here, and the bulls might retest the channel highs for them. So that was one large impulse higher. We can get the second large impulse higher all the way to the 67.73 level. So this is looking pretty good. This looks like a repeat pattern of the past. So let's go and put a $40 horizontal line. So you can clearly see at this horizontal line at the $40 level, that's where prices had this huge impulse up in the past. So there was a downtrend in play, and then after the downtrend came to a bottom, you can see there was a huge impulse up, and then you clearly see there was two legs down also. There was one leg down here, and this was the second leg down. So this second leg down did not meet, but that still led to another impulse higher. So something like this. So hopefully you guys can clearly see that. So it looks very similar to what happened in the past, and even around the same price level. So this looks like shorts could be trapped, and we could be seeing a good chance of reaching the low 50s and potentially even breaking out to reach the $67 level. So this is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.